Hey y'all, Sam here and welcome to my channel. A spokeshave is a great little tool, so today we're gonna make one. This should be fun. I was trying to carve some chamfers for a project with my hand plane, but because it was so big, it was hard to fit where I needed it, and difficult to keep the angles precise. What I needed was a spokeshave. A spokeshave is a very simple tool. At its heart, it's just a blade attached to a piece of wood with handles on the side, which gives you more control than a hand plane for shaping wood for things like chamfering. Sure, I could just get a commercial one, but let's be honest, sometimes they're not that great, so I got to thinking, why not make a not great one instead? I have this leftover plane blade just begging to be used, and some scrap poplar. Alright, let's get designing. First, what angle should the blade be at? A 45-degree angle usually works, but maybe shallower is better? If I were to use a shallower angle, then the wood handle can be thinner, so less wood is needed. Good enough for me. Now, how big should these handles be? I want it to fit comfortably in my hands. Ooh, that looks nice, and should fit well in my hands. Okay, now I need to figure out the raw wood sizes needed. I think I can cut this all from 1 or 2 pieces of wood. Time to start cutting. Sawing first, I have the rough size of the spokeshave now. I'll lay out the lines on it and adjust as I go. Okay, chisel time now. Mounting the blade. A bolt and nut should do the trick. Add a recess to hold the nut. And look at that, it's starting to come together. Sure, it's a little rough around the edges, but that's what sandpaper is for. Let's round these off for a more comfortable grip. You know, a spokeshave sure would have come in handy for this step, but I don't have one yet, so I'll make do for now. Now, I just need a piece of wood in front of the blade to help maintain the angle when using this tool. I don't technically need it, but it just makes things a little better. A little cutting, and I'll just glue it on. I could stick a metal plate on the bottom, but honestly I think this will work just fine as is for now. I can always add it later. Let's sand everything down now, and get everything smooth and comfortable to hold. And it's time for some tung oil finish. I chose tung oil because that's just what I happen to have on hand. Alright, it's the next day, the spokeshave is ready to be assembled. Let's put it together and tighten the blade down. Oh yeah, starting to look good. I can adjust the depth of cut by tapping on the blade or wood with a hammer or the edge of the table. Alright, moment of truth. You know what? Not bad. It actually does cut and it has some nice shavings formed. It does catch sometimes, but a little bit of tapping does fix that. And once you get it dialed in just right, look at those shavings. This turned out awesome. I had a lot of fun building this. Now I just need another project to work on that I can use this on. Well, I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.